Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So I am in my farm right now. I had some free time, so I thought I'll just make a video. As monsoons have arrived and coronavirus is going on, this whole quarantine thing is going on, so we all have a lot of time. So I thought that I'll show you some plants, some flowering plants which you can grow at home and make the most of the time that you have. So I'll tell you 5 flowering plants which grow especially in monsoon and which you can grow right now at your home. So what are you waiting for? Let's start. So the first plant and the easiest to grow is marigold. Just buy some seeds from Amazon and sow it in the soil. After 4 to 5 days, you will start to see some small saplings coming out of the soil. And once they develop true leaves, you can transplant them to bigger pots. And marigold has other benefits also. It is an excellent insect repellent. It emits some kind of scent which pests don't like. So marigold keeps pests away. And at the same time, marigold attracts good insects and bees. So what more can you ask for? It is just fantastic. Easy to grow and keeps your pests away. The second plant I'm going to tell you is pinwheel jasmine, or tagar as we say it in Hindi. It is another easy to grow plant. It can be grown from a cutting. It has these white little flowers. It doesn't have a scent though, but it looks amazing. And especially in monsoon, you will see a lot of flowering. See this tree here? This was once a small sapling and now it is all grown up and the flowers have taken over. It just looks amazing. The third flower is jasmine, and you all are aware of it. Jasmine is easy to grow, but it is a little difficult to maintain because it needs a lot of water. So this rainy season is actually perfect for it. You just keep the plant outside and it will keep getting water from the rain. And whenever it stops raining, you have to make sure that you supply that plant with a lot of water. And now the fourth plant is hibiscus. Hibiscus looks really good. It has different colors, so you can choose one according to your liking. The main problem I face with hibiscus is mealybugs, because mealybugs just love hibiscus. And whenever I grow it, mealybugs just take over. So I have to be extra careful while growing hibiscus because mealybugs multiply very fast and they just love hibiscus. The fifth and the last plant is lotus. Lotus is very difficult to grow, but guys, it just looks amazing. So what you have to do to grow lotus is you have to buy some seeds, and the seeds of lotus are like small black marbles and has a very hard shell around it. Before sowing the seeds in the soil, you have to make a crack on that shell so that the seeds can germinate easily. Once you sow the seeds, saplings will start to come out of it, and it will take around 20 to 25 days. And once it starts to develop true leaves, you have to shift that entire pot in some kind of water body. You can even use a tub here. Just fill that tub with water and submerge the entire pot in which you have grown the lotus into the water. And after a lot of time, after a lot of efforts, after feeding it liquid fertilizers, you will start seeing results. It will take around 2 to 3 months to actually get a flower. And what could be better than growing a difficult plant? You have conquered it. It is just amazing. It feels wonderful. So that's it guys. I have showed you 5 plants that you can grow right now. So what are you waiting for? Just go buy some seeds and start now. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends, like, comment, and also subscribe. That's it. Bye.